Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or delete chats in Claude AI. So as you can see here, I'm in Claude and I'm going to quickly just ask Claude, what is Chat GPT as an example? It's going to tell me about it. And you can see right away that on the left hand side, there is a new chat created for this. Now, let's say I'm finished with the chat and I no longer want to use this. How do I go ahead and delete the chat? Or remove the chat. On the left side, you'll find the three dots here next to the chat. You click it, and here's a delete button. You click on it, then click delete again, and that's it. I just want to say and remind you guys that if you delete chats in Claude, there is no way, direct way, how to undo this, or there's no recover button after you delete the chat, right? Once a conversation is deleted from the interface, it is permanently removed from your account. So just keep that in mind. However, there are some few things or workaround that you could try. For example, depending on your situation, you can be able to recreate the lost content. If you, for example, have something in your browser history, you can try that. Or if you, for example, had it sometime before and you want to export your data, or if you've exported your data before, you can potentially recover that last chat if you have that, or if you have compliance API on your enterprise account, you or your team who have that administrative access could potentially retrieve the deleted data. So those are some way how you could try to help in case of recovery. But all of this is still not guaranteed, but it's worth a try. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.